Well, we hit some serious hiccups here with removing these flywheels. This one I got off using this harmonic adjuster puller with bolts. This one wants some kind of specialized flywheel puller that threads onto the outside of this black thing and then pushes down on the drive shaft, which is got this nut around it at the moment. I tried a whole bunch of things, and this is my attempt here. So I still got some slack in my rod, so I could go all the way to break these things. It's real tight already. I mean, it's tight. I think I'm gonna put some safety glasses on and see what this Milwaukee does. Yeah. Well, I kept going and it got kind of scary. There's a lot of force, but something happened. And I don't know what that something is. But I'm gonna loosen it up and see. Well, hot damn. Unbelievable. I spent days trying to get this off of here. I couldn't find that specific tool. And I can't even, I'm blown away that worked. I called shops. I mean, I have spent 10 hours trying to get that damn thing off there. Ta-da! Now we get to take apart the block. Well, a little further. We've got the piston head out and the drive shaft completely out, and now it's completely disassembled. And this guy does the timing in some way I don't quite understand, but this guy, as this guy rotates around, presses on these jobbers, which then press up through here to the header, cylinder head, and then that's the exhaust and intake timing, which I wondered how that worked in this little tiny box. Although, after I open up this little tiny box, what I find out is that 90% of it is air. There's like nothing in here. It's just like this thing and that thing. Now, we get to discover if the parts are available. Even though there are parts, they said they could buy them. I haven't actually tried to buy them.